Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. I participated in a birthday swap. It wasn't actually a swap, a birthday celebration. It was a birthday celebration for Shirlene at Cheryl'sCraftyWorld.com, a real store. So Cheryl's birthday was a few weeks back. And we participated by making embellishments for her birthday. And so Cheryl, because she's so sweet and so nice and so kind, decided that if you entered her birthday, if you sent the embellishments in for her birthday, that she would give you something. So I was like, Cheryl, she doesn't have to do it, but she's so sweet, and she did. So I'm going to share with you what I got. So it came wrapped in this beautiful bag with the mermaids and the seahorses. So it was kind of an under the sea theme. Let me take it out the box. Didn't want to show her address. So had this beautiful ribbon wrapped around it. This nice tulle type thing. I'm not too good at describing what everything is, but it's beautiful, and I'm going to use that. We got this. She gave us this. It says, worry less, craft more. Yes, indeed, Cheryl. Yes, indeed, Cheryl. So you open it up. And inside, let me make sure. Oh, I just dropped one on the floor. You got some, got a piece of cardstock. So you can test out your markers. One of my markers fell on the floor because I'm a mess. So she gave us these markers, and you know, it's always nice to get some art markers because you never have enough. So these are the colors I got, and they're all very pretty, and I'm ready to play with them. That's a lot of markers, Cheryl. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm a colorer, so I always have my coloring books about. So that's going to be good for my coloring books. Then we got this nice box that she decorated. Oh my. It has, hope you can see it. It has nice this in it. And she has some nice, oh, she did bag toppers. I'm going to have to get into bag toppers. I don't want to tear my topper, so I'm going to open it from the bottom. So I don't want to tear my topper. I love the toppers. So I'll figure out how to use the bag again, but I don't want to tear the topper and forget the rattling. She gave me some tags. And remember, I'm doing my monthly Mojo tags. So I need you to join in. You make a tag every month. I give you the prompts on the last Sunday of the month. And these are going to be great for my monthly Mojo tags. Thank you, Cheryl. Okay. And this is wrapped. It says bling. Open this from the bottom. I like to open my stuff from the bottom. Oh, you know what, Cheryl? This is just like too much. It was your birthday. You know what? That is just a blessing right there. When it's your birthday and you bless others for their birthday. Oh, look, blingy things. I like these. Yes. Yes. Oh, and these. Yes. Oh, wow. You know what? I could use these. Yes. Thank you, Cheryl. And look at that. Oh, I know. She gave me some purple. Cheryl loves purple. I like the pink. That is pretty. Yes. I got an idea. I got an idea. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Look at these flowers. Oh, my goodness. Did she make them? I think she might have made them. Cheryl, did you make the flowers? Let me know if you made the flowers. Did you make the flowers? They are just gorgeous. Oh, my. And I don't know if I was in camera to show you these. Got these sticky backs so you can put stuff. It's kind of like a, you can almost use this for a shaker. This is for a shaker. Got the bling. I don't know if I was in camera. And I got some tags. Oh, look at that. Some embossing powders. You know what? She just set me up to make a project. She gave me some hearts, wooden hearts. Oh, I got some blue, some ribbon and a coffee cup, die cut. Oh, got some sequin ribbon and a stamp pad. She just set me up for a project here. This is marvelous. Oh, she gave me some tape, double-sided tape. Cheryl, I'm ready to go. Pom-poms and flowers. And look at that. I think that's part of the flowers. Look at that. Oh my, I'm ready for a project. Look at that. A nice mason jar. Stamps, flowers. Oh, she can stamp the, oh look, you can put that in the jar, stamp it, and put it, you know what? I'm gonna have to play with that. And like everybody's always thinking of keeping everybody safe, and this is wonderful, Cheryl. Thank you for so much. You can wear it as a headband. You can wear it around your mouth, around your neck, and like that. And it surfs up sharks, sharks, sharks. And she gave me a pen. And look, she put my name on it, TJ. Hope I was in film for in camera for all of these things. Let me show you again. I'm gonna put everything back in the box so you can see it in case I was out of camera range. Look at this lovely pen. Got my name on it, TJ and hearts. Thank you, Cheryl. Put that back in there. I'm gonna put this over here on my desk so I can use it. Okay, so the mask, pom-poms, beautiful flowers, sequins, ribbon, hearts, embossing powder, tape. This is just ready for a project. Ribbon, and cut out, die cut. Look at that. Bling. This is just the most lovely box. Shaker things. She must know. Everybody knows I can't do a shaker. Felt. Tags. And best of all, too, everything's just wonderful. I love these roses. I gotta put my roses over here because I don't want anything to happen to them when I want to put them up. And also, this lovely, lovely satchel with alcohol inks. Shirlene, thank you so, so much. Thank you so much. It was your birthday, and I wanted to be a blessing for your birthday, but thank you for being a blessing to me. It is just wonderful. I'm telling you, craft friends make the best. Crafty friends make the best friends. Thank you so much. And also, there's a card, but I will keep my card and read my card. And I thank you for joining me, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks again, Cheryl. Love you, girl. Bye.